Hey guys, it's Jerry Metal Band Battaglia. I'm out here on the Thursday night weekly car show out in Yaphank, New York at the Yaphank Fire Department. We have some awesome cars here. You know, I like those Tri-5s, and there's a line of them up here. And I'm going to do a little walkthrough of each Tri-5. You know, I love them. And just subscribe to my channel. Check out the new videos coming up. Also, like and share these videos. Also, please comment down below if you have a Tri-5. Let me know where you're coming from too. So we have an awesome lineup of cars coming, and guys, check these out.
You know, Freddie told me,
you know what the mileage is on this car, John? No. 5,900.
How you doing?
Not that. 5,900. That's 6,000.
Beautiful 57.
I'll go.
Actually, is that be considered?
So here's a 57 convertible.
Yeah, but it's just like it's different. 77. Yep, the lead burns off.
Again, guys, please like and share these videos. Subscribe to my channel. I'll leave any comments down below. Beautiful car, guys. Cars better in person. Flawless. 55 wagon. Check out this big block in there with a blower. '55 Bel Air Nomad right here, guys.
Don't even look at it for long. Look, I'm telling my kid, don't even look at it.
There's some awesome cars, guys. This is called the Grasshopper. Check this thing out. '64, '65 Ford Econoline. Here's another 57. Got a 4-speed in there. Oh, it's beautiful too. The T-Birds. I want to show you guys one of my favorite cars at the show. The 64 Caddy here. This car's amazing. The bigger the better with me. With fins on this car. 64 Caddy. So guys, we're at the Thursday night Yaphank Fire Department car show. It's one of the best car shows in Long Island. There's a Chevy from Jolly Chevrolet, Z28 Camaro. Jolly's another business, but it used to be on the bottom of the hill in Port Jeff Station, down by the village. So check out this Fuely Corvette.
My biggest stress, I think, was not knowing how I was going to be able to afford my vacation. I went to the, where was it?
How rare is this?
RV camping with Harvest House is more than just a place to park overnight. It's the time your kids got to feed goats at a dairy farm.
Beautiful T-Bird here too.
Deer right outside your RV. It eliminates
57 T-Bird. Alright guys, like and share my videos. Please subscribe to my channel, Jerry Metalman Battaglia. He's going to bring a tremendous amount of videos this upcoming summer out here in Long Island, New York. Have a great day guys. Thank you so much.